Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and to today's video. If you are new here to the channel, my name is Scarlett, and if you love fashion, lifestyle videos, what to wear, shopping vlogs, then hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you here on this channel. Today I have an unboxing. As you can see by the title, I have a Chanel unboxing. I got some beautiful summer sandals. Oh, I tell you, they're so stunning, classic, timeless, really versatile to get much out when I purchase something that I'm really looking that I get a lot out of it, and this is a pair of sandals to get out a lot. And I will also link you some Chanel sandals down below in the description box for you, so you can go and check them out. So now I would say let's start with the video and I show you the gorgeous sandals. So these sandals I show you now, I was eyeing them quite for some time. They're from the summer collection, and finally after weeks of waiting they arrived, and I will show you them now. Ta-da! They're already unboxed because they came and I immediately unboxed them. I couldn't wait, and I already threw away everything, the box. So here they are. They are so gorgeous. I will show you also a close up from the beautiful sandals. What I absolutely love are the beautiful chains here in front. I think it's beautifully made, and also the big CC here in front of the sandal. It looks so gorgeous and yeah, absolutely classic. And here the luck version, so nice and shiny, super gorgeous, very comfortable pair of sandals. So I also show you how they look on with this gorgeous dress. It's a perfect match, but also when you wear classic jeans, denim jeans, or a black trouser, and then these pair of sandals, I mean, there you can nothing go wrong with. It's such a classic and timeless combination. And Chanel sandals I generally really love because they are so high quality, and you can get so much out of them. They are so classic and beautiful. And usually I have my Chanel sandals at least 10 years, when not even more, like 12-15 years. Yeah, so this is my experience with Chanel shoes in general. I have them always a very long time, and that's why I love to invest in a very good high quality sandal, because I know I will have them 10+ years. So these are the sandals. I hope you like them. Leave me a comment down below. What do you think about these Chanel sandals? These are actually my first Chanel purchase this year. Yeah, so yeah, really beautiful. I love them, love the chain here in front. I think it's a beautiful detail from this shoe, and black and gold, it's such a fantastic combination. Also, this outfit, what I'm wearing today, I will leave it down below in the description box for you if you want to go and check it out. It's such a nice and classic dress. It's one of my latest purchases from this summer, which I will also share in my next video. You can watch it. So this was our short but sweet video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you here on this channel, and I see you in the next video next week. Ciao!